how to teleport to coordinates in Minecraft. So first, just simply go to the coordinates that you're currently in. So in Java, just simply click on F3 on your keyboard. It will show the XYZ coordinates. And in Bedrock, just simply go to settings, then go to game and just scroll down so you see the show coordinates option. So once you know your coordinates, so mine is 248273 and -4127. So now just simply input the code. Just simply open the chatting commands, then type in TP, just like so, and input your username. Then just input the coordinates that you want. So let's say I want to be on 26 on the map. So my X coordinate is 26. And for my Y coordinate, I'm just going to go high so that it will be safe. Since let's say if I go 10 on the Y coordinate, so since the Y coordinate is the depth of the map, so if I go like 12, I'm gonna get eventually spawned on the bottom of the map, so I don't want that to happen. So I'm just gonna set to 100. Next, I'm just gonna set this to -1000, and let's see what happens when we TP to that location. As you can see, we are TP'd here. Oh, we're TP'd here onto the village right here. And as you can see, that's how you basically teleport to your coordinates or to any coordinates in Minecraft.